In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in the DocuSign CFR Part 11 module. DocuSign is a powerful tool for managing electronic signatures and agreements, widely utilized across various industries for its reliability and ease of use. Knowing how to sign documents using this platform is crucial, especially in sectors where compliance and security are paramount. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the DocuSign website. Just open your preferred web browser and type in their URL. DocuSign is renowned for being the top choice in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, offering a seamless experience for users globally. Once you're on their homepage, you'll notice a very user-friendly interface. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout, as this will be helpful for navigating the platform efficiently. Next, we need to log into the system. Look for the login button. It's usually prominently displayed at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If not, you might need to create an account first, which is usually a straightforward process. Having an account is important, as it allows you to track all your documents and manage signatures in one place. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage. This is your main hub for managing documents and agreements. From here, you'll have access to all the tools necessary to send, sign, and manage your documents. On the homepage, look for the section labeled Agreements. This is where we need to go to access documents awaiting your signature. Now go ahead and click on Agreements. You'll be taken to the Agreements section, which lists all the documents you need to sign or review. Here you can quickly find the specific document you need to sign. The interface is designed to be intuitive, so it should be pretty straightforward to navigate through the agreements you have on file. Once you've located the document you need to sign, proceed by clicking on Sign. This action will take you into the document itself. DocuSign provides a clear and secure environment for applying your electronic signature. Follow any on-screen prompts to complete the signing process. Remember to review the document carefully to ensure all details are correct before finalizing your signature. And there you have it, you've successfully signed a document using the DocuSign CFR Part 11 module. This process ensures that your electronic signatures are secure and compliant with industry standards. It's a convenient way to manage your document signing tasks efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have further questions or need more detailed guidance, feel free to explore additional resources or help sections on the DocuSign website. Happy signing!